In my STEM class, we made some speakers. This idea was given to me by Bruce Yaney with his video on the subject. I did make some different modifications there. So we have the analog output from the computer, which is meant to be strong enough for headphones, so we're not having these next to our ears, so we need to use an amplifier. So I'm using the amplifier from this old speaker, and that is outputting an analog signal that's boosted to here, which is going to a coil of wire here, making an electromagnet. And there is a single ceramic magnet over here. I found that a single ceramic magnet is strong enough to hear. So you can hear. He had several different suggestions with like a coil of wire around a big neodymium magnet like this one. And I found that while much louder, for whatever reason, the sound quality wasn't there for me. I've also found that styrofoam plates or paper plates, I've tried those and they kind of were crackly and not as clean sound. The best success I've had is actually just a single thick stock piece of paper. And of course, it is much louder when you add some more magnets to it. A few more magnets I'm adding. Like that. Here's with just one magnet. That's a little louder with more. But what I find most curious is even when there's no magnet near this, I can still hear a very faint version of the music coming from this. So I'm wondering, is it repelling off of the Earth's magnetic field? Because there's no other magnets that are near it. I've tried putting it in line with the poles and 90 degrees from the poles, and I don't seem to detect any difference, so that doesn't seem to make sense. So that is somewhat of a mystery. I don't know where this sound is coming from when there's no magnet even near it.